All right, guys. I got the queen size because I got a nightstand. Same color, so I'm like, I seen this. Now look, it perfectly fits on each side. Perfectly. Boom. Shut off the light. Looks nice and pretty. Love it. Definitely love it. You can change it to red. All different colors. Comes with this. I definitely recommend. That's for sure. 5 stars.
As you can see, it's not touching here. And it's not, doesn't reach this side either. So it's definitely not a queen size headboard because I purchased queen size sheets for the bed.
Look, Claire, it's so cute. I like it. It changes colors. Now I gotta go get the remote and figure out how to turn this damn thing off. But it's cute.
I'm really enjoying my headboard. I just wish it was a little higher.